Welcome back, guys. In this video I'll show you how to edit template on Mailchimp. So on your Mailchimp, go to the side here under campaigns. You will see all campaigns. What I will do is go here to email templates, and then I'll just click create. And then what you will do, if you're using email for your newsletter, you could use this. So under this, we have plain text, regular, and template. Template is one of the most convenient, so let's go edit a template. So here you have different options of how you want your newsletter to look like. So although some of the templates are not available if you're a free user, so I'm just using the one that is available on a free user account. So wait for this to load, and actually you just have to really edit this and upload the photos. So for example, in this one, click this to add a photo. So you could click replace. So this is where you can upload the photo you will be using. So like this. So what you can do with this photo is you can actually edit, resize, embed a link in this. But okay, let's just do it again. So in here you can also adjust the display size. So for example, I'm gonna make this smaller, like so, and then I'm gonna click edit. So when you edit the photo, you will be directed to this something like an extension where you can do all the manipulations for your photo. And if you're done, you just have to click save or just close it if you didn't do anything to the photo you are using. But here are the options or the features that you can use. So you can also embed a link so that when the user click the logo, the user can be directed to the web address you will input here. And then just click insert after that. And then another thing is you can put borders. You can make the corners round like so. And then once you finished all the adjustments, just click save and close. So you also have this image settings, but I don't really use that a lot. So here you can change the background color. You just have to choose from this like color palette. So another thing you could do is to adjust the size of this part of the newsletter. So there you go. And in here, everything's the same. You just have to upload photos by clicking replace and choosing the image from here. In here, I'm just changing the color of the background. I want it to be the same color as the background color of the header. So I'm copying the code of the color and pasting it here. So you can do that trick as well. And then here you can edit the text. You can change the text, you can change the color, font size, you can put hyperlinks and others. You can explore that feature of the text. And then in here, we have like a button that you can edit as well. So you can change the button text, and then you can also add a website so that when people click this button, they can be directed to your website. And then you can change the color of the button under style, and then you can make the corners rounded. You can change the font color or the color of the text, like what I'm doing here. So, yep, you can explore this part of the button editing. Here I'll just change the color of the footer. I'll make it a lighter one. And then the footer content is already available here. You can just edit that and fill in the information you have to fill in. And then here you have the socials part where you can put your social media accounts. So here you just have to put the name or the username of your shop or account that you are using, so that when people click this social media icons, they will be directed to your social media accounts. So you will see later how it will work once it's finished. And then after this, you can just edit these like I said a while ago. And then when you're okay with everything, you can preview and test. And then you can see it in different modes like desktop, mobile, and email inbox. Like so. So this is how it will look like. But this one is not available for free user, so you can only see it in desktop and mobile. So for example, I'm clicking the Instagram icon. Since we embedded the account, we input the social media username there, we will be directed to the social media account once we click that. So that's how it works. And that's it. That's how you edit a template on Mailchimp. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope this helped you. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel.